Hello viewers, today we will solve one more question of an array which is majority element LeetCode 169. In this question you just have to return the element which is existing, which is a majority in this nums. Okay, so you just have to return the element which is occurring many times. This is a simple question. So first you have to find the nums dot size and sort the nums dot begin comma nums dot end, and after that you just have to return the nums of n by 2. You just have to return the value which contain nums n by 2, okay, at the n by 2 index. So this runs properly. Let's submit this code. Yeah, this code is running properly, you can see. Thank you for watching.